Welcome to Vitamin Maths. So today we are going to see the formulas for trigonometry, the various shortcut tricks used to remember them. So let us begin. So firstly we will see trigonometric ratios. Okay, firstly we will see trigonometric ratios. In these trigonometric ratios, the basic ratios we will be discussing. So for that, draw a triangle here, right angle triangle. So tri means 3. The value of tri means 3. So tri means 3. Gono means angle, and metri. Okay, metri means it is measurement. Okay, it is measurement. Okay, try 3 angle measurement. Okay, so the full form of trigonometry is 3 angle measurement. So to begin with ratios, we have to consider always the right angle triangle, as you all know. So I will take A, B, C here. So I am going to consider my theta at A. So the opposite of this theta is side BC. The BC side is opposite to this theta. Okay, now as you all know, this is hypotenuse. Always the longest side in a triangle is a hypotenuse, or the side opposite to this 90 degree is always a hypotenuse. Now next, the adjacent should obviously be this one. So if you identify the opposite, then adjacent is automatically the side that has been left out, because hypotenuse is always fixed here. So let us begin. So first let us see the first trigonometric ratio, that is sine theta. Okay, so sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, it is opposite upon hypotenuse. So second one, let us see second one, that is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is adjacent upon hypotenuse. And third one we see tan theta. So third one we are seeing tan theta, which is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon adjacent, we don't consider hypotenuse here, so that is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon adjacent. So similarly, what we are considering, we will consider fourth one, that is cosec theta. So cosec theta. So what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is reverse of reciprocal of sine theta. Okay, it is reciprocal of sine theta. So it should be hypotenuse upon opposite. So it is hypotenuse upon opposite. So you can just see here, it is opposite by hypotenuse is sine theta, whereas cosec theta is hypotenuse upon opposite. Next one, that is fifth one, the inverse, or the inverse of cos theta is sec theta. Okay, sec theta is equal to just opposite of this one, that is hypotenuse upon adjacent. Hypotenuse upon adjacent. Okay, so finally the last one is cot theta. Cot theta. So cot theta is nothing but the reciprocal of tan theta, that is adjacent upon opposite. Okay, so these are called as the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so depending upon the theta, where the theta is present, your opposite adjacent will change. Suppose if my theta is here, suppose if my theta is here, suppose if it is here, then my opposite will become AB. AB becomes opposite of C if my theta is here, and hypotenuse is already fixed, so adjacent side will be this one. So depending upon the theta where we take the value of sine theta, cos theta, the sides will change only, but the basic formula is remains same. Okay.